My name's Nathan here at Wendle Nissan in Spokane, Washington. Today we're going over your tire pressure monitoring system. Reason we register each TPMS sensor to each tire is specific to each vehicle, and we use special tools to do it. Now when your TPMS light comes on, when you either got a puncture and you're losing pressure in your tire, or a temperature change, and even 10 degrees could cause 1 to 2 pounds of pressure loss. I'm Nathan, thanks for watching. Hope you choose Wendle for your services.